Alright, so here it is. It's the Celica all done. It's actually been restored, so it's had a full respray inside and out, set under the bonnet, which is kept original. It's got the Ashi racing wheels on it. Yes, 14x7 plus 7 all round. Got some nice 205s on the back. Sits nice in there. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. Painted the rear taillight panel. All the badges have been restored. The paint's really nice on this car. New old stock, genuine trims and rubber seals there. Quarter trims have been restored. New old stock Toyota trims there, the rubber. Badge restored. Car's really straight, it's really nice. Happy with it. It's a 2 1/4 full stainless exhaust. Everything's really clean. Even in the boot here. Interior is really nice. All painted inside here. Interior is really good. Inside the doors all painted. Under the bonnet it's got a 18 RGU. I restored that as well, the mirror and the cow panel trim to factory colour. 18 RGU with the twin Solex carbs on it. Cable conversion. Ported head, it's got some big cams in it, 288. Heavy duty clutch for the ZD. New ignition. It's got noob auto parts dizzy on it. Brand new radiator. Everything's been re-synced by Delway. Yeah, everything's been redone on it. See the bonnet front's really nice. Front bumper's original. Restored all the trims, brand new steel beam headlights. Filler panels all been restored to original colour. Even a valance panel straightened. Everything aligned as best as I could do it. I've done about 90% of the assembly and disassembly of this car myself. There it is, that's it. It's finally finished. So I'm pretty happy with it. Looks really nice.